Hey everybody, Jared here. We are down to the last week of the General Assembly session, and we're far enough along now that some things have actually finally made their way fully through the process and are being sent to the governor for signature, including our cryptocurrency kiosk legislation expanding the Retire Path state-run IRA program, a number of bills on garnishment protections, and some protections on gift card fraud. Much more will get wrapped up next week, including hopefully PDAB, which there's a big floor vote on the House side on Monday, where we're hoping to get a ton of bipartisan support for the bill. The final week of session is next week, and that will largely be focusing on wrapping up unfinished business as well as the budget. The budget conferees have been named, and they're going to be working together to hammer out a budget deal. So we'll find out next week what that looks like. And the plan is for everything to wrap up next Saturday before the governor then has the opportunity to act on bills before everyone comes back in April for the reconvened session. So stay tuned next week, and we will give you a final update on the General Assembly session for 2026. Thanks.